Hey guys, welcome. In this video I will teach you how to use ElevenLabs Text to Speech. So let's just begin. Once you sign up and head over to your dashboard, this is how it is going to be looking. From here you can simply head over to text to speech since we need that feature, and there you need to simply write your text in here. Once you do that, you need to select your voice. We have wide range of voices to choose from. Then you can simply go with your model. So the uh, greater the version, the better it is going to be sounding. You have some other versions which are going to be costing you really cheap, and they also sound really robotic. So you can see I suggest you version 3, and then you can simply generate your text to speech. So this is how it is going to be sounding.
Once it asks to choose a network, make sure you select BNB Smart Chain, as this is important.
Or we also have another version. This is how it sounds.
Once it asks to choose a network, make sure you select BNB Smart Chain, as this is important. Once it asks to choose a network,
So yeah, that's how you can use it, and make sure to head over to the link in the description for that 50% discount, and do not forget about it. See you in the next video.